ये बच्चों के लिए बहस नहीं थी।
It was not a discussion for kids. It was not a discussion for kids.
मैंने जो पैसा कमाया इसका ज्यादातर हिस्सा मादी चीजों पर खर्च हुआ।
Most of the money I earned was spent on materialistic things. Most of the money I earned was spent on materialistic things.
बादशाह अपनी ताकत वापस हासिल करने के लिए लड़ा।
The king fought to attain his power back. The king fought to attain his power back.
मेरी पीठ पीछे कही गई बात पर मैंने नाराजगी का इजहार किया।
I took offense at what was said at my back. I took offense at what was said at my back.
आप अपनी बेइज्जती के साथ एक लाइन क्रॉस कर रहे हैं।
You are crossing a line with your disrespect. You are crossing a line with your disrespect.
कंबल ने सर्दी के खिलाफ सुकून फराहम किया।
The blanket provided comfort against the cold. The blanket provided comfort against the cold.
दो दिन में अहम फैसला होना था।
A crucial decision had to be made in 2 days. A crucial decision had to be made in 2 days.
नजर आने से बचने के लिए वो ज्यादातर रास्ते से दूर रहता था।
He mostly kept out of the way to avoid being noticed. He mostly kept out of the way to avoid being noticed.
ये खानदान के लिए एक बड़ा मौका है।
This is a big opportunity for the family. This is a big opportunity for the family.
सफाई करते वक्त आपने कुछ जगहें छोड़ दी।
You missed a few spots when cleaning. You missed a few spots when cleaning.
सेमिनार में बहुत कम तलबा ने शिरकत की।
Few of the students showed up for the seminar. Few of the students showed up for the seminar.
जब मुलाजमत से तारुफ हुआ तो मैं कदरे खौफज़दा था।
I was a bit apprehensive when introduced to the job. I was a bit apprehensive when introduced to the job.
आपको प्रोजेक्ट की हिदायत पर अमल करना होगा।
You have to follow the project guidelines. You have to follow the project guidelines.
इसने अपनी परेशानियों को एक तरफ धकेलकर अपने खाने पर तवज्जो दी।
He pushed aside his worries to concentrate on his food. He pushed aside his worries to concentrate on his food.
पूरे कमरे में खामोशी छा गई।
The whole room fell into silence. The whole room fell into silence.
मैंने खाने से भरा हुआ चम्मच बच्चे की तरफ बढ़ाया।
I held out the spoon filled with food to the baby. I held out the spoon filled with food to the baby.
वो सदमे से चौंका।
He was startled out of the trance. He was startled out of the trance.
वो इसके गाने की आवाज पर तरफ उठे।
They cringed at the sound of her singing. They cringed at the sound of her singing.
मैं उनको साबित करूंगा कि मैं कौन हूँ।
I will prove to them just who I am. I will prove to them just who I am.
आखिरकार उसने हार मान ली और आराम किया।
He finally backed down and relaxed. He finally backed down and relaxed.
वो पार्टी के लिए रवाना हो गए उससे पहले कि वो कपड़े बदल सकी।
They left for the party before she could get changed. They left for the party before she could get changed.
इसे आते ही खामोशी का सामना करना पड़ा।
She was met with silence when she arrived. She was met with silence when she arrived.
ड्राइंग मुकम्मल तौर पर फट चुकी थी।
The drawing had been torn off completely. The drawing had been torn off completely.
इसने जल्दी से एक छोटा सा बहाना बनाया।
He hurriedly pulled up a short excuse. He hurriedly pulled up a short excuse.
मैंने सूरत-ए-हाल की बेयकीनी को महसूस किया।
I felt the uncertainty of the situation. I felt the uncertainty of the situation.
उनके सामने खतरा मंडरा रहा था।
Danger loomede before Tim. Danger loomede before Tim.
वो थक हार कर घर पहुंची।
She got home winded and tired. She got home winded and tired.
वो बोलने पर मजबूर लग रहा था।
He sounded forced to speak. He sounded forced to speak.
वो तकरीर के लिए पीछे हट गए।
They retreated to the back for the speech. They retreated to the back for the speech.
घर वालों ने मामूल के मुताबिक बात की।
The family conversed as normal. The family conversed as normal.
इसके आगे दौड़ने सबसे बड़ी रुकावट है।
Ahead of him lay the biggest obstacle in the race. Ahead of him lay the biggest obstacle in the race.
इसने इस तरफ देखा जहां उनमें से अक्सर खड़े थे।
She looked over at where most of them stood. She looked over at where most of them stood.
मैंने केले का छिलका बस से बाहर फेंक दिया।
I threw the banana peel out of the bus. I threw the banana peel out of the bus.
प्लेट को बाहर फेंकने से ये बेहतर नहीं होगा।
Throwing out the plate would not make it better. Throwing out the plate would not make it better.
इसे ढूंढना बंद करो।
Stop looking around for her. Stop looking around for her.
वो इसे देखकर चौंक कर खड़ी हो गई।
She stood shocked upon seeing him. She stood shocked upon seeing him.
जिन लोगों को उसकी जरूरत है उनकी मदद करना ठीक है।
It is okay to lend a hand to people who need it. It is okay to lend a hand to people who need it.
वो मुंह बंद करके गा सकती थी।
She could sing with her mouth closed. She could sing with her mouth closed.
गार्ड्स ने इन्हें रास्ते से हटा दिया।
The guards pushed them out of the way. The guards pushed them out of the way.
वो दरिंदे से आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पीछे हट गए।
They backed away slowly from the beast. They backed away slowly from the beast.
जब वो स्टेज पर आया तो उनके मद्दाह चीखे और उछल पड़े।
His fans jumped and screamed when he stepped onto the stage. His fans jumped and screamed when he stepped onto the stage.
स्पोर्ट्स कार तेज रफ्तारी से उड़ी.
The sports car took off at a fast speed. The sports car took off at a fast speed.
मैंने उसकी हैरत पर बहुत तेजी से रद्द-अमल जाहिर किया.
I reacted too fast to her surprise. I reacted too fast to her surprise.
वो इन्हें महफूज देखकर बहुत मुतमईन नजर आ रहा था.
He looked so relieved to see them safe. He looked so relieved to see them safe.
मुझे कहा गया कि अकाउंट इस्तेमाल करने से पहले इसकी तस्दीक कर लें.
I was told to verify the account before using it. I was told to verify the account before using it.
इस तरफ से देखने वाले लोग तशद्दुद पर हैरान रह गए.
People watching from the side were shocked at the violence. People watching from the side were shocked at the violence.
इसका बच्चा छोटी उम्र से ही सदमे का शिकार था.
Her kid suffered from trauma from a young age. Her kid suffered from trauma from a young age.
इसने इसके बालों से एक पता हटा दिया.
He removed a leaf from her hair. He removed a leaf from her hair.
आपको सच्चाई का इतिराफ करना होगा.
You have to confess the truth. You have to confess the truth.
ग्रुप ने उसे हाथ हिलाया.
The group waved her over. The group waved her over.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप इस नए महीने को संभाल लेंगे.
I hope you can handle this new month. I hope you can handle this new month.
वो दोपहर तक जागता रहा.
He stayed awake till noon. He stayed awake till noon.
वो सिर्फ जीन्स में मलबूस था.
He was clad only in jeans. He was clad only in jeans.
बच्चों ने आपस में एक नजर का तबादला किया.
The kids exchanged a look between them. The kids exchanged a look between them.
वो आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक लम्हे के लिए रुकी।
She paused for a moment before proceeding. She paused for a moment before proceeding.
इसे समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि कैसे जवाब दे।
He was unsure how to reply. He was unsure how to reply.
वो कैमरे में मुस्कुराता रहा।
He kept grinning into the camera. He kept grinning into the camera.
वो ड्रामा के लिए अपनी लाइनें रट नहीं सकती थी।
She couldn't cram her lines for the drama. She couldn't cram her lines for the drama.
वो पहले भी काफी करीब थे।
They had been pretty close before. They had been pretty close before.
उसके बारे में अटल रहना बंद करें।
Stop being adamant about it. Stop being adamant about it.
कस्बों को शहरों के वसाइल से मुनक़ते ना किया जाए।
The towns should not be cut off from the city's resources. The towns should not be cut off from the city's resources.
आपको सच मानना पड़ेगा।
You have to admit the truth. You have to admit the truth.
पहले माजी पर गौर करने की कोशिश करें।
Try reflecting on the past first. Try reflecting on the past first.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप में बात करने की हिम्मत है।
I hope you have the guts to speak back. I hope you have the guts to speak back.
पानी तेजी से दरिया में गिर गया।
The water rushed down the river. The water rushed down the river.
वो हर माह अपनी मछली का प्याला धोती थी।
She washed her fishbowl every month. She washed her fishbowl every month.
गिरोह एक इशारे से खामोश हो गया।
The group was silenced with a signal. The group was silenced with a signal.
इस कस्म की सूरत-ए-हाल में अज़्म बेहतरीन काम करता है।
Determination works best in this type of situation. Determination works best in this type of situation.
मैं साबित कर सकता हूँ कि वो सही थी।
I can prove that she was right. I can prove that she was right.
मुझे तस्वीर को धुंधला करना पड़ेगा।
I would have to blur out the picture. I would have to blur out the picture.
इसने उसकी तरफ हाथ बढ़ाया।
She extended a hand toward him. She extended a hand toward him.
आदमी घबराकर इधर-इधर देखता रहा।
The man kept glancing around nervously. The man kept glancing around nervously.
इसे फौरी तौर पर जवाब मालूम हो जाएगा।
He would know the answer immediately. He would know the answer immediately.
मैं मुकाबला शुरू करने के लिए हमेशा की तरह तैयार हूँ।
I am ready as ever to start the competition. I am ready as ever to start the competition.
उसने अपने कुत्ते के लिए एक छोटी टोपी पहनी थी।
He wore a little cap for his dog. He wore a little cap for his dog.
आवाज साफ और पेशेवराना लग रही थी।
The voice sounded clear and professional. The voice sounded clear and professional.
शाइस्ता होने के बारे में कुछ सबक लें।
Take some lessons on how to be courteous. Take some lessons on how to be courteous.
ये मेरे पास है।
I have it with me. I have it with me.
आपको सिर्फ इसका मंसूबा नाकाम बनाना था।
You just had to fail his plan. You just had to fail his plan.
इसका रवैया संजीदा हो गया।
His demeanor turned serious. His demeanor turned serious.
ये एक ऐसा एहसास था जो इसने पहले कभी महसूस नहीं किया था।
It was a sensation he had never felt before. It was a sensation he had never felt before.
मेरा अंदाजा है कि आपको कभी ये ख्याल नहीं आया कि लोगों को चोट पहुंच सकती है।
I guess it has never occurred to you that people get hurt. I guess it has never occurred to you that people get hurt.
हादसे ने उसकी यादें मिटा दी थी।
The accident had erased his memories. The accident had erased his memories.
मैं सवाल का मतलब समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
I am trying to understand the meaning of the question. I am trying to understand the meaning of the question.
मुझे लगता है कि आप इस केस में बहुत ज्यादा मुलव्वस हो रहे हैं।
I think you are getting too involved in the case. I think you are getting too involved in the case.
शायद इन्हें दोबारा इम्तिहानात देने की तरगीब दी।
Maybe motivate them to redo the exams. Maybe motivate them to redo the exams.
जो कुछ हुआ इसके बारे में मेरे खानदान को जरा परवाह नहीं थी।
My family couldn't care less about what happened. My family couldn't care less about what happened.
मैंने अपने बॉस को इस मसले की निशानदही की।
I pointed out the issue to my boss. I pointed out the issue to my boss.
फिलहाल ये मसला नहीं है।
That is currently not the problem. That is currently not the problem.
इन्होंने खौफ से एक दूसरे को पकड़े रखा।
They kept holding each other in fear. They kept holding each other in fear.
मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि रोजाना मुताला जारी रखूंगा।
I will hopefully continue to study daily. I will hopefully continue to study daily.
आज इसके आने का ज्यादा इम्कान नहीं है।
He is not very likely to come today. He is not very likely to come today.
ऐसा लगा जैसे ये कोई ख्वाब हो।
It felt as though it was a dream. It felt as though it was a dream.
आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इस पानी में चला गया।
Drifted slowly into these waters. Drifted slowly into these waters.
इसके पास फन का हुनर है।
He has a talent for art. He has a talent for art.
मैं आपके साथ अपनी कहानी शेयर करना चाहूँगा।
I would like to share my story with you. I would like to share my story with you.
ये एक और दिन की कहानी है।
That is a story for another day. That is a story for another day.
इसने एतिमाद के साथ अपनी तजवीज़ पेश की।
He asserted his proposal with confidence. He asserted his proposal with confidence.
मुझे अपनी भांजियों को जल्द अलविदा कहना पड़ा।
I had to say goodbye early to my nieces. I had to say goodbye early to my nieces.
गाड़ी सड़क की तरफ फिसल रही थी।
The car was slipping toward the road. The car was slipping toward the road.
मैंने उसके साथ रक्स की मशक की।
I practiced the dance with him. I practiced the dance with him.
इसने मामूल की तरह गुफ्तगू जारी रखी।
He continued the conversation like normal. He continued the conversation like normal.
ये हल का हिस्सा है।
That is part of the solution. That is part of the solution.
आपने कहा कि आप इसमें शामिल नहीं होंगे।
You said you would not become involved. You said you would not become involved.
मैंने गली के आखिर में रोशनियों को देखा।
I spotted the lights at the end of the street. I spotted the lights at the end of the street.
अपने बेहतरीन दोस्त के साथ शाना बशाना चलना।
Walking side by side with my best friend. Walking side by side with my best friend.
मेरे स्वेटर के जरिए थोड़ी सी सर्दी दाखिल हुई।
The cold bit through my sweater. The cold bit through my sweater.
सांप बज़ाहिर अपने शिकार को मारने के लिए बेनियाज हो गया।
The snake visibly uncoiled to strike its prey. The snake visibly uncoiled to strike its prey.
मेरी बिल्ली हरकत करना बंद नहीं करेगी।
My cat would not stop moving. My cat would not stop moving.
इन्होंने तेजी से अपनी तकरीर का इख्तिताम किया।
He went on rapidly to conclude his speech. He went on rapidly to conclude his speech.
डांसर बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है अपने ख्वाबों को पूरा करने के लिए।
Trying to fulfill his dreams of becoming a dancer. Trying to fulfill his dreams of becoming a dancer.
इसका गला साफ करने से बार बार हाज़रीन की तवज्जो हासिल हुई।
Clearing her throat repeatedly got the attention of the audience. Clearing her throat repeatedly got the attention of the audience.
गेंद उछलती हुई जमीन से लगकर जाल में गई।
The ball went bouncing off the ground and into the net. The ball went bouncing off the ground and into the net.
इसके जूते इस जगह पर बार बार टक टक कर रहे थे।
His shoes kept clicking against the spot. His shoes kept clicking against the spot.
इसने मौका पर ही ऊंची आवाज में गाना शुरू कर दिया।
He started singing loudly on the spot. He started singing loudly on the spot.
वो अपने आज़ा को फैलाने के लिए खड़ी थी।
She stood to stretch her limbs. She stood to stretch her limbs.
आग सांस लेना मुश्किल कर रही थी।
The fire was making it hard to breathe. The fire was making it hard to breathe.
मैंने मिजाज हल्का करने की कोशिश की।
I tried to lighten the mood. I tried to lighten the mood.
गिरफ्तारी से पहले पुलिस को उसे मुतहर्रिक करना पड़ा।
The police had to immobilize him before capture. The police had to immobilize him before capture.
वहाँ का फासला अब ज्यादा नहीं रहा।
The distance there is no longer far. The distance there is no longer far.
मुझे इसे करीब रखने की ख्वाहिश थी।
I had the urge to hold it closer. I had the urge to hold it closer.
बच्चे ने अपनी टैडी को अपने सीने से लगाया।
The baby held her teddy close to her chest. The baby held her teddy close to her chest.
इसने अपनी सालगिरह की तकरीब में जोश व खरोश से रक्स किया।
He danced excitedly at his birthday party. He danced excitedly at his birthday party.
ये एक धमाका था।
It was a blast. It was a blast.
मैंने अपनी मीटिंग के लिए आवाज बंद कर दी।
I muted the sound for my meeting. I muted the sound for my meeting.
वो मदद की पेशकश कर रहा था।
He was offering to help. He was offering to help.
लड़कियां आगे बढ़ रही थी।
The girls were on the move. The girls were on the move.
तस्वीर से बाहर।
Out of the picture. Out of the picture.
इसके बाद वीडियो को हरकत में लाया गया।
The video was then set into motion. The video was then set into motion.
मुझे नहीं मालूम कि मैं उसे मुझ पर यकीन दिलाने के लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ।
I don't know what I can do to make him believe in me. I don't know what I can do to make him believe in me.
इसने कहा कि वो मजीद नहीं जाना चाहती।
She said she didn't want to go any longer. She said she didn't want to go any longer.
मैंने हाथ बढ़ाकर कुर्सी को छुआ।
I reached out and touched the chair. I reached out and touched the chair.
मकड़ी रेंगती हुई मेज की तरफ आई।
The spider crawled onto the table. The spider crawled onto the table.
वो कुछ समझने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
He was trying to make sense of something. He was trying to make sense of something.
मुझे ये हकीकत पसंद है कि वो मुकाबले से पहले हमेशा मजबूत रहती है।
I like the fact that she always acted strong before challenges. I like the fact that she always acted strong before challenges.
बारिश ने सड़क को देखना मुश्किल कर दिया।
The rain made it hard to see the road. The rain made it hard to see the road.
इसने काम का कुछ हिस्सा मुकम्मल किया।
He completed part of the task. He completed part of the task.
इसने मौजू उठाया.
She did bring up the topic. She did bring up the topic.
वो दोनों टेबल के नीचे शिफ्ट हो गए.
They both shifted under the table. They both shifted under the table.
तलबा को छोटे नोट बनाने के लिए कहा गया.
The students were prompted to make little notes. The students were prompted to make little notes.
वो चोरी छपे क्लास में आया.
He tiptoed into the class. He tiptoed into the class.
बावर्ची खाना साफ सुथरा था.
The kitchen was wiped clean. The kitchen was wiped clean.
मैं कुछ जरूरी कहने के बीच में था.
I was in the middle of saying something important. I was in the middle of saying something important.
ये मैदान में हुआ.
It took place on the field. It took place on the field.
जरा तसव्वुर करें कि इन वीडियोस को देखने में कितना वक्त लगा.
Imagine the time it took to watch those videos. Imagine the time it took to watch those videos.
मैं आगे के काम पर तवज्जो मरकूज कर रहा हूँ.
I am focused on the task ahead. I am focused on the task ahead.
मुझे दूसरों की मदद करना पसंद है.
I love to help others. I love to help others.
इसने अपनी चपस पर गिरफ्त छोड़ दी.
He released his grip on his chips. He released his grip on his chips.
बस भूल जाओ ऐसा कभी हवा है.
Just forget this ever happened. Just forget this ever happened.
आप बाहर जाकर खा सकते थे.
You could go out and eat. You could go out and eat.
आपको पहले से तैयारी करनी चाहिए थी.
You should have prepared ahead. You should have prepared ahead.
वो गौर से कागज का मुताला करता रहा।
He kept studying the paper intently. He kept studying the paper intently.
अपने पड़ोसी के बच्चों को छोड़ना एक मामूल बन गया।
Dropping off his neighbor's kids became a routine. Dropping off his neighbor's kids became a routine.
वो साथ गाने पर आमादा हुए।
They were tempted to sing along. They were tempted to sing along.
शायकीन ने बैंड पर बहुत ज्यादा तवज्जो दी।
The fans paid much attention to the band. The fans paid much attention to the band.
आपका तारुफ करवा कर अच्छा लगा।
Nice to make Yura Quintense. Nice to make Yura Quintense.
गोदाम के पीछे से बकरी निकल आई।
The goat came out from behind the barn. The goat came out from behind the barn.
इसने उंगली से शक्ल खींची।
He drew the shape with a finger. He drew the shape with a finger.
वो गुस्से से चीख उठी।
She screamed out with rage. She screamed out with rage.
ये सब कुछ था।
That was all. That was all.
वो पार्क के छोटे से दरवाजे में फिट नहीं हो सकता था।
He couldn't fit in the tiny door at the park. He couldn't fit in the tiny door at the park.
सारे बर्तन इसके हाथ से गिरकर टूट गए।
All the dishes fell from his hand and broke. All the dishes fell from his hand and broke.
शीशे के टुकड़े हर जगह बिखर गए।
The pieces of glass went all over the place. The pieces of glass went all over the place.
गाड़ी से बचने के लिए भीड़ बिखर गई।
The crowd scattered to avoid the car. The crowd scattered to avoid the car.
गाड़ी इसके सामने आकर रुकी।
The car came to a stop before her. The car came to a stop before her.
मुलाजमत से पहले वो एक खौफनाक अमल से गुजरा।
He went through a terrible process before being hired. He went through a terrible process before being hired.
ट्रक सड़क से उलट गया।
The truck veered off the road. The truck veered off the road.
वो खैर मुतवाज़न लग रही थी और हादसे से हिल गई थी।
She seemed unbalanced and shaken from the accident. She seemed unbalanced and shaken from the accident.
बच्चा सारा दिन रोता रहा।
The baby cried all day. The baby cried all day.
मैं टैक्सी के साथ तसादुम से बचने में कामयाब हो गया।
I managed to escape the head-on collision with a taxi. I managed to escape the head-on collision with a taxi.
पुलिस ने हंगामा खत्म करने की कोशिश की।
The police attempted to end the commotion. The police attempted to end the commotion.
आप इसका गुस्सा भड़का सकते थे।
You could have invoked his anger. You could have invoked his anger.
मैंने दरवाजे से लात मारी।
I kicked through the gates. I kicked through the gates.
वो ऑप्शंस पर गौर करके रह गई थी।
She was left considering the options. She was left considering the options.
वो ये नज़ारा देखकर खुश दिखाई दिया।
He looked delighted by the sight. He looked delighted by the sight.
मैंने घर की तमाम लाइट्स बंद कर दी।
I turned off all the lights in the house. I turned off all the lights in the house.
वो सीने पर बाजू बांधे खड़ी थी।
She stood with her arms folded across her chest. She stood with her arms folded across her chest.
मैंने सब्र से दोनों के दरमियान तबादला देखा।
I patiently watched the exchange between the two. I patiently watched the exchange between the two.
आग पर रख के खाने पर एक नजर डालें।
Have a look at the food on fire. Have a look at the food on fire. कोई रास्ता होना चाहिए। There has to be a way. There has to be a way.